Your hair will never stop growing after trying this recipe. Guys, if you know you really want to grow that full, thick and long hair, make sure you try out this recipe, because this recipe is the most effective recipe that you will ever come across. Let's dive into the video. This is the most effective hair growth recipe that you will ever come across. Guys, this is rosemary. Rosemary is very good because rosemary has the ability to limit skin inflammation and also work to reduce dandruff. So if you're suffering from dandruff, rosemary will really help you to get rid of that. And this is clove. You know, clove is very good because it contains vitamins, minerals and fiber, and it's very good when it comes to stimulating blood flow in the scalp, which may promote hair follicles activities and also encourage hair growth. Okay, this is fenugreek. Fenugreek is very good when it comes to helping to stop hair fall. If your hair falls a lot, fenugreek will help to reduce it. Okay, it reduces hair fall and it also smoothens the scalp and also prevents hair breakage. So make sure you get your fenugreek and include it in your hair product. Okay, you'll never go wrong with it. So guys, this is hibiscus. You know, hibiscus is very good when it comes to growing your hair. Okay, hibiscus will help to prevent premature graying. If you have this gray hair, you know, you have this white hair, it will help to prevent that. And it is also very good when it comes to thickening the hair. Okay, so make sure you include hibiscus in your hair products. You'll never go wrong with it. It grows the hair very well. So the next thing you need to add is onion. Okay, onion is very good when it comes to preventing hair loss and also promoting hair growth. So if you want to stop that hair loss, you know your hair is always breaking, you want to stop it, make sure you include onion in your DIY hair recipes. Okay, it is very good and it will also grow your hair at the same time. So the next thing you need is ginger. Ginger is very good for longer and stronger hair because it contains vitamins, minerals and fatty acids that are very good for growing hair and making your hair look stronger at the same time. So it will strengthen your hair and also make your hair grow very long. So guys, get these ingredients. We are not yet done. Okay, when you are done getting all the ingredients, please make sure you wash your onion and your ginger. Make sure you wash them very well, and also don't forget to wash your hibiscus. Okay, set these ones aside and also wash your hibiscus so that you will include them. Don't use them without washing them. Okay. So the next ingredients we need to add is rice. Okay, rice is very good for growing the hair because it contains amino acid and vitamins that are very good when it comes to promoting hair growth. Okay, rice will really help you to grow your hair. See, guys, let me tell you, these ingredients, with only them, like single of them, you will grow your hair very long and very thick at the same time. Talk more of when you combine all these ingredients, your hair will never stop growing. So you also need okra. Okay, okra is very good when it comes to growing the hair because okra is very good when it comes to promoting healthier hair, shinier hair, and it also keeps the scalp moisturized and nourished at the same time. So we'll also be including okra. Yes, see guys, you can also use okra juice to moisturize and grow your hair. Okay, so we'll keep this aside. We'll be using this. So guys, the next thing you need to add is water. Use a hot or warm water. Okay, this is a hot water. Okay, it's either you use a hot water or a warm water. Okay, so add your water. Make sure you add your water, full it, and make sure you close it. Okay, after you are done adding your water, you close it. Okay, so the color is going to change. It is going to look somehow like red because of the hibiscus. Okay, so it is still very okay. All you need to do, make sure you close it very well and keep it in a tight place, like keep it somewhere that is somehow hidden and allow it to stay for 3 days. Okay, it will be staying there for 3 days before you start using it. It is going to stay for 3 days. After 3 days, then you are going to sieve it. You sieve it and use the water. You apply the water. Make sure you massage it into your scalp. Massage it very well. Then you come and thank me later, because your hair is going to grow. The edges of your hair is going to grow very well. Your hair is going to grow. Guys, you'll come back and thank me, because this is very, very effective. If not, I will not come here to share this. This is the secret that most hair creators will not tell you. Like most people will not tell you. If your hair has stopped growing, your hair doesn't grow. The edges of your hair doesn't grow. Your hairlines look somehow. Your hair doesn't grow. Make sure you try out this, because you come and thank me. Because this is the most effective, most potent, most effective hair growth recipe that you will ever try. Because this hair recipe contains all the necessary ingredients that are very, very good for hair growth. So try it out. You come and thank me later. So guys, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't. Join the family. Here on my channel, I talk about how to grow your natural hair. Okay, I share hair growth tips. So make sure you join the family. And if you have any question, feel free to also ask. And please make sure you drop where you are watching me from in the comment section. And please also make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Please like the video. Okay, it will help YouTube to push out this video. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. If you have any question, feel free.